In this video, we will show you how to search for an image on Google. There are many methods how you can find an image. Okay, for example, using Android smartphone, you can just open the Google search. Okay, just open the Google search here, and you can upload your photo or image that you want to find just using this. Then you can upload your photo or file here. Just click here, for example. After that, you can drag this into the top like this, and you can select exact match. You can see there is many image. Okay, you can see here there is many image that related on your image that you upload. Okay, for the second, if your smartphone have the AI circle to search, you can just open your image, for example, and then you can hold the home button. It's depend on your smartphone configuration. In my smartphone, hold the home button can find using circle to search. For example, I select this image. Okay, I'm circle this, and you can see we can select exact match. You can see now the where data is appear in here for the image. In here, if you're using the smartphone, out if you are using a PC, just minimize and then back to Google web browser. It's very easy if you are using the PC. You can just go to image here, and then you can upload your image and upload a file. For example, we have this file. After we upload the file, the visual match is appear. You can select exact matches. Okay. Now you can find the image that you're looking for. Okay. And that's all tutorial how to find image on Google. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.